Hi, Lady Esther here, and I just got a haul from Ulta. So I want to show you all the things that I got. First off, I got this skin clearing tool, and this was about $10. And then I got the Roche-Posay Toleraine Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, and I got Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gentle Cleansing Lotion. I forgot to tell you how much that cost. The La Roche-Posay $14.99 for 13.5 ounces, and the Neutrogena Hydro Boost was $8.99 for 5 ounces. And these are two items that Hot and Flashy recommended as hydrating cleansers. So I'm trying both of them out to see which one I like better. And I got this Laura Gellar eyeshadow palette in the Worms, and this was on a really good sale at Ulta. Normally it was $19 and it was 30% off, so I got it for $13.30. Let me open it up here. Okay. Oh, it comes with this little lookbook. Oh, it tells you how to put eyeshadow on. Here it is. Oh, it's so cute. When you see things in the store and it's all shiny, it makes you want to buy it. So look at that. Isn't that pretty? Anyway, so I'm going to try this and experiment and maybe show you what happens. $13.30 for 8 eyeshadows. Okay. So what else do we have here? Okay. This is a special treat. This is the Elemis Power Pack Get Younger Looking Skin in 14 Days. And this was, is this $39? Was it? Yep. This was $39, which is a good deal. It comes with the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash, the Apricot Soothing Toner, the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and then the papaya enzyme peel, and it looks like the wash is 1 ounce. What is this one? The toner is 1.6 ounce, and then ½ ounce and ½ ounce. So we'll see if it works. Okay, so I got that, and then I got this. I got this cute Peggy makeup headband. Vintage headband that I was going to try. Let's see how it looks. There. What do you think about that? Is it nice?
Looks great.
Okay. So I got this, and then it helps when you're putting on makeup or washing your face. I thought it was cute. I like it covers my ears. Or you could go above your ears. Okay. And then I was debating on this last product. So this is called POURRI, and you spray it in the toilet before you go. And this is lavender vanilla. This is the travel size, and this was, how much was this? This was $4.99. So I'm going to try this out too. And let me make room for the final product. It was very important. It is the Conair Home Vanity Collection Reflections, and I'm going to unbox it right now. This one was $49.99. So I don't know, I thought that was a little bit pricey. I thought it was pretty. So we're gonna try it out. This has a 1x side and a 7x magnification side. It's a two-sided lighted mirror. It's black finish, and it has touch controls for low, medium, and high, incandescent lighting, fog-free, clear fog-free viewing. Da, 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 da. This works. Okay. Are you ready? It works! Oh my gosh! Okay, let me turn it this way because the cord's back this way. Oh no. So that's low, medium, and high. Okay, well from here it doesn't look that bright, but let me look at myself. Oh wow. Wow. It's kind of scary when you magnify your face up. Wow. But this is what, I haven't had one of these in a long time. I think my makeup's gonna look better now that I can see. Okay, so anyway, I hope you liked this video, and go to Ulta and buy products if you want to, but you don't have to. This is Lady Esther signing off.